In today's video, we're diving into how to host multiple WordPress sites on a single hosting or VPS using Dokploy, including how reverse proxy and SSL fit into this setup. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and I wanted to talk about this because once you're running more than one site, traditional shared hosting starts to feel limiting and messy very fast. So in this video, you'll learn what this setup actually looks like, why people move to VPS hosting when they have multiple sites, and how Dokploy helps you manage everything in one place. By the end, you'll understand how all these pieces fit together, so let's get into it. We're going to start off with the basics and talk about what hosting or VPS actually is. So hosting or VPS is a virtual private server. To simplify, it's a more flexible type of hosting where you get your own environment instead of sharing resources with hundreds of other sites. Unlike basic hosting, a VPS gives you more control over how things are set up. That's why people use it when they want to run multiple websites, custom setups, or tools that don't fit neatly into standard hosting dashboards. Dokploy is a management layer that sits on top of your server. Instead of manually handling everything through the server itself, Dokploy gives you a clean interface where you can deploy sites, manage domains, and connect services more easily. Together, hosting or VPS and Dokploy give you a way to host multiple WordPress sites on one server while keeping things organized and scalable. Most people don't start here. They usually begin with shared hosting or a simple WordPress plan, and that really works fine for one site. The shift happens when you add more sites. Maybe you're building multiple projects, client sites, or side projects. Suddenly, you're logging into different dashboards, managing separate hosting plans, and paying for resources you're not fully using. A VPS lets you consolidate everything. So instead of spreading sites across different accounts, you run them all on one server and manage them centrally. Dokploy makes that possible without turning everything into a complicated server project. Now let's touch on some key features. So one of the biggest features of hosting or VPS is resource control. You're not sharing CPU and memory with random sites. That gives you more predictive performance, especially when running multiple WordPress installs. Another important feature is flexibility. You can host as many sites as your server can handle instead of being limited by hosting plan rules. This matters if you are experimenting or scaling gradually. Dokploy's biggest feature is simplicity. It gives you a way to deploy and manage applications without manually setting up everything from scratch each time. That includes WordPress, domains, and services tied to your sites. Reverse proxy support is another key feature, so this allows multiple websites to run on one server while each one responds to its own domain. Instead of fighting over ports or configurations, traffic gets routed cleanly to the correct site. SSL handling is also built into the workflow, so instead of manually setting up certificates for each site, Dokploy helps to manage secure connections so each domain loads correctly with HTTPS. Overall, the main feature here is control. You get the power of a VPS without needing to babysit every single detail constantly. Now let's talk about how reverse proxy fits into this setup. Reverse proxy is one of those terms that sounds more intimidating than it needs to be. A reverse proxy is essentially what allows one server to host multiple websites under different domains. When someone visits one of your domains, the reverse proxy decides which site should respond. Without this, hosting multiple sites on one server would be super messy. You'd run into conflicts and limitations very quickly. With reverse proxy in place, each WordPress site behaves like its own setup, even though they're all running on the same VPS. This is what makes hosting multiple sites clean and scalable. Now, why SSL matters in a multi-site setup? SSL is what gives you that HTTPS, and running sites these days without SSL is not really an option anymore. Each domain needs its own certificate, even if all sites live on the same server. That's where people often get stuck. Dokploy helps manage SSL so each site can have a secure connection without manual setup every single time. This keeps your site trusted by browsers and avoids warning messages that are going to scare visitors away. SSL isn't just about security, it affects trust, usability, and whether your site feels legitimate. Now, how WordPress fits into the workflow. So WordPress works well in this setup because it's flexible and lightweight when configured properly. Each WordPress site lives as its own application. They don't share databases or files unless you choose to connect them. This separation is super important. If one site has issues, it doesn't automatically break the others. Running multiple WordPress sites on one VPS is pretty common once people move past beginner hosting. Dokploy just makes the management side less painful. So here's how you can do it step by step. So what you want to do first is get access to a hosting or VPS plan. You'll want to create your hosting or VPS account and access the server. Then you're going to go ahead and install Dokploy so you have a dashboard to manage deployments. After that, you'll go ahead and connect your domains to the server so traffic can actually reach it, and then set up reverse proxy so each domain routes to the correct WordPress site. Then you'll go ahead and deploy each WordPress site as its own application. Then enable SSL for each domain so all sites load securely. And lastly, test each site to make sure domains, routing, and HTTPS work correctly. Okay, so that is the simple setup and workflow. Now let's go ahead and touch on some of the pros and cons. So one of the biggest advantages of this setup is consolidation. You can run multiple WordPress sites on one server instead of juggling separate hosting plans. That alone simplifies a lot of mental overhead. Another major benefit is control. You decide how things are structured, how resources are used, and when to scale up. You're not boxed in by preset hosting limits. Performance can also be more consistent. Since you're not sharing space with unknown sites, your site tends to behave more predictably when traffic increases. Now, on the downside, a VPS setup does require more responsibility. You're closer to the infrastructure, which means you need to be comfortable learning a bit as you go. There's also more setup involved up front compared to one-click hosting. And while Dokploy simplifies a lot, this is still a step beyond beginner hosting. If you want everything fully managed without thinking about servers at all, this approach may feel like a bit too much. So again, just some things to think about when you're figuring out the best workflow for you. Okay, now let's touch on the different plans and pricing options. So what you'll want to do is use our link down below so you can save up to 67% off. So they've got a couple of different plans here. So they've got the KVM 1, 2, 4, and 8. Depends on the amount of CPU core, RAM, and disk space and bandwidth that you actually need. So just choose the plan that you think you're going to need, whether that's the KVM 1, where you need 4 terabytes of bandwidth, 50 gigabytes of disk space, etc., or if you need more power, more core, so 8 cores, 8 CPU cores, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 400 gigabytes of disk space, and 32 terabytes of bandwidth. Okay, that's going to be $19.99 a month, but that's saving you 67% off if you use our link. Every single plan has AMD EPYC processors, SSD storage, data centers worldwide, free weekly backups, firewall management, public API, and so much more. If you want to check it out, use our link down in the description below. I wanted to touch on a couple bonus tips before we wrap up. So one of the most helpful things that you can do with the VPS setup like this is to treat it as a system, not a one-time project. The goal isn't just to get multiple sites running, it's to make sure you can add, update, and manage those sites later without feeling like everything is fragile. Taking a little extra time to keep things organized up front is going to pay off fast. A simple habit that helps a lot is being consistent with how you name things. Domains, WordPress installs, and projects inside Dokploy should all follow a clear pattern. When you log in months later, you don't want to guess which site is which. Clear names are going to save more time than almost anything else in setups like this. It's also smart to think about resource usage early, even if your sites are small. So one of the benefits of a VPS is that everything shares the same pool of resources. If one site suddenly starts using a lot more memory or CPU, it can affect the others. Keeping an eye on this is going to help you know when it's time to scale the server instead of wondering why everything feels slower. Another useful tip is to update WordPress sites one at a time instead of all at once. When you're hosting multiple sites on the same server, batch updates can feel efficient, but they can also make troubleshooting so much harder. If something breaks, it's much easier to know where the issue came from when changes are staggered. Reverse proxy setups are powerful, but they also mean routing matters. So anytime you add a new domain or site, just double check the traffic is going to the right place. It's going to save you so much time and confusion later on. A quick test in the browser after each change is usually enough. SSL is another area where being proactive really helps. Even though Dokploy makes SSL easier, it's still worth checking that certificates renew properly and that each domain loads securely. Catching an SSL issue early is much easier than dealing with browser warnings after the fact. It's also a good idea to keep backups in mind from the beginning. Hosting multiple sites on one VPS means you're centralizing things, which is great, but it also means backups matter more. So knowing how to restore one site without touching the other is going to give you peace of mind. This setup is for you if you're running multiple WordPress sites and want them in one place. It's especially helpful if you're building projects, managing client sites, or planning to scale beyond a single website. It's a great fit if you want more control and are okay learning how things connect behind the scenes. This is probably not going to be the best choice if you're only running one small site or want a completely hands-off experience. In that case, traditional hosting is probably going to be more more simple and perfect for you. But if your goal is flexibility without juggling accounts, the setup is definitely worth considering. I know how overwhelming it can feel when you start managing more than one website and realize your original setup doesn't scale very well. Moving to a VPS doesn't have to mean making everything complicated if you use the right tools. If you want to check out hosting your VPS for yourself, don't forget to use our link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build websites with simple tools and easy steps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.